everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my autumn / fall home tour for you. So let's get straight into it. So this is my living room and dining room area. If you guys have followed me for a little while, you know that I used to have an armchair there and I finally managed to get rid of it, and it's created a lot more space. So as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. So I made that out of bark, and that was part of my DIY and decor challenge that I did with the DIY mummy. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to show you, this is a couple of small DIYs. I bought these little wood slices from the works, and I had the letters, I think from Poundland, and I just glued them, you know, stuck them on there. It says gather. And then here's a DIY I did, and these are styrofoam pumpkins, and guys, do not bother. It was more hassle than it's worth. You can see it's peeling already, and even though I made them like over a week ago, I didn't paint some of the bottoms, they're still a little bit sticky, and I decided I wanted to go for a blue and green theme because that is kind of the theme for my decor this year. But yeah, this I thrifted as well for £1. So I have a pumpkin there which I made last year, and then some books just as to serve as decoration, my Scentsy warmer as well, and then it's the fireplace. Let me see if I can give you full view. It's not easy, but there you go. I love the fact that it's overly packed. It's got way too much stuff on it, and I love it. You guys have seen this before. I've had it in my previous homes. It's just filled with little trinkets that we picked up all over the place. So, and then my fireplace. I've had these IKEA candle holders for years. That is a tree that I got in Sainsbury's last year, some cactus. I can't remember where I got this little mouse, but I thought it would go quite nicely. Candles I picked up in TK Maxx. You've seen that frame. I am so in love with it. That is the best. I just love it. I got the print from Etsy. I will link it below for you. And then at the weekend, I took Alex to a Raptor Centre, and they were selling this. There is a little canvas. It cost £7.50, which I thought was really good, and I thought it was very autumny. And there we are. And then you guys have seen the garland as well, which I'm still in love with, and that garland is from Etsy. I will link it. On this shelf I added just a few little touches. That's another one of those slices. I mean, this is like really basic stuff, but you know, I stick to my skills. I also added this. I picked this up from a charity shop last year. It's a big acorn in white. I thought it would look nice there. Some of those pine cones, and then just there I did that. It's a printable from Pinterest. I printed that out last year and I just framed it again. Some more pine cones. So that is what that bit looks like. And then this is what my table looks like. I did this as part of my $5 Goodwill challenge, and I've actually added these two candle holders, candlesticks, whatever, with the candles. The candles are a bit wonky. Can you see that? Now, I want your honest opinion. Let me give you a better view. There we go. Do you think with the candle holders it's too much? let me know in the comments. And then yeah, so I haven't changed anything there. I did bring this down. I do love this. You guys have said to me before, hang it on the wall. I don't want to. I like the colours. I think it's really nice. I don't know if it looks great there. One of my friends came to see me last Friday and got me this. I just love it. It's a trivet. I just love the colours. I'm a big pom-pom fan, so you guys might have noticed. And then that's what that corner is looking like. There's a basket there. It's actually there. As you can see, there's a white cord there and some stuff there. It's very hard. This house has very few power points, so there's extension leads everywhere. So that basket has some of Alex's toys, and when he's not around, I put those blankets over it. So if you look, you can't even tell there's any toys in this room. Just added some more pumpkins there as well. That I made those last year. My table is very simple. The pot plant, in case you're wondering, is Ola Kylie, and I love her stuff. Is very mid-century, which is what I love. This candle I picked up last year from Sainsbury's. Is applewood with clove. It smells so delicious, and I even love the lid as well. So I actually, when I don't have the candle on, just leave the top off because there's like a lovely little smell. I bought that pot plant actually to put upstairs, but I just love it there at the moment. So, and then I don't know if you guys have seen that. You might have if you follow me on Instagram. I picked that up from Wilko's for £15, which is a bargain, an absolute bargain. Now, when you hold it in your hands, it's very light, which immediately makes it feel cheap, because it is cheap. It's £15, but when it's there, you cannot tell. You would not be able to tell me if that's a leather strap or faux leather even, or if that's metal or just plastic. It just looks gorgeous in my eyes. And then in the kitchen, I've stuck to the more traditional orangey colours. I picked those up before. I can't for the life of me remember where I got the orange, the stripy, and that one. Where was that? Was that Wilko's maybe? Or Sainsbury's? I can't remember, but I did haul that for you, so you will probably recognise it. Just got some fresh basil that I picked up in Morrison's. And then my windowsill, I kept one of the pumpkins orange. These are the ones that I painted white. So I just kept one of them orange. And it sits there. And those are like my little touches of autumn. Nothing there. Those are actually Alex's vitamins, so because they're there when I make my coffee in the morning, I always remember to give him one. There's some Portuguese custard tarts. You're going to see that haul, by the way. I haven't changed anything here. Sorry, just turn that around. It's just quite plain. And then this is where I've done most of the decorating. And by that, I mean I've decorated this piece. I had that printable from last year. There we go. And just got some apples, some leaves and bits of wood. My little fox. Another Ola Kylie pot. And I'm still thinking, what can I have in there? That's it. In here, just have some homemade shortbread that my friend made, came to visit, and some homemade carrot cakes. You guys know we love those. So in case you've noticed that I've changed my top, it's actually the next day. I filmed half of it yesterday, half of it today. It's how it goes some days. But that is it, you guys. I want to know which item is your favourite. out of all the new stuff that you've seen. A lot of it is new because we've just moved, as you know. If you are new, because I've gained quite a few new subscribers recently, there's a house tour you can check out if you want to see what has changed, because we've not long moved in. Yes, so that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye.